Hey buddy, how are you?
Bored.
Maybe we could go outside for a jog.
Maybe.
He's lying. He's taking us out for pizza again.
Why not? Jog on a tropical island.
Very funny, guys.
We didn't do that.
Introducing HoloFit, the most advanced VR fitness platform.
Explore a tropical paradise.
Frank, slow down. Wander in the freezing blizzard.
Oh, look, piggies.
Embark on a timeless journey through the misty mountains. But not all is as it seems, for hidden inside slumbers the ominous
Dragon!
giant turtle! Turtle! Don't just row! Explore the abyss. Great catch! You're perfect! The possibilities are endless.
Nice!
What?
Cool, bro! Cool! I'm all for it!
Wait, what? Who are you?
I forgot to mention, you can make new friends there too.
Let's race! Can you race each other?
You bet you can.
Who is speaking? Who is that other voice now?
Don't look at me.
Guys, what if this voice is something dangerous?
The only danger is to keep exercising longer than you planned. Some call it a workout, but we call it a game.